Hello, my jewels, and welcome back to another video. I am Sapphire. Today is Tuesday, July 20th. It's also our granddaughter Jabria birthday. She's 11 years old today. I want you guys to help me wish her a happy, blessed birthday. Happy birthday, Jabria. I hope and pray that you enjoy your day. Happy birthday. Mwah. So, today I'm going to talk about conditioners, leave-in conditioners. Are they good enough to use as a moisturizer? I get this question asked a lot. Why are you using leave-in conditioners as a moisturizer? Does it give your hair moisture? Why are you using conditioners for a moisturizer? I get that a lot. I do answer back, but I get that a lot. So I'm going to say this. For my low porosity hair, light leave-in spray conditioners, they do work for my hair because they do absorb in my hair strands and it holds for the whole week. I don't have to go back and forth every day putting in the conditioner and sealing it in. It does work. These are the ones that I like to use in the summer. This is the Hair Insurance from Aussie, the leave-in, and this is the Mielle White Peony. These two are my only leave-ins that I love to use throughout the summer, okay, because they do work. I do seal it with the oil, either the apricot or the grapeseed oil. Sometimes the jojoba oil. And the jojoba oil I like to use more so in the wintertime because that really gives my hair really softness and sheen. I like that. My hair just glycerin. It just glistens when I use the jojoba oil in the wintertime. I love that oil. So those are the oils. Or in the wintertime, when I'm doing, when I'm keeping the moisture in my hair because my hair get very dry in the winter, then I would use a rinse out conditioner, more like a cream, or even the Neutrogena Silk Touch leave-in. I don't have that here because I didn't replenish my cabinet, but you'll see that in the winter time. But I like to use this on my hair, and it looks like this. It have this consistency. See that? And this goes on very smooth. Okay? It goes on very, very smooth. I'm just going to take a towel and wipe that off. I don't want to put this on my hair yet, okay, until I get over 12 weeks. But anyway, they do absorb in my hair strands. They do last for the whole week. I don't have to keep going behind adding anything to it. I do use them maybe once out the week. When I'm stretching, I do it at least maybe twice out the week in the wintertime because my hair get very dry from my scalp all the way down. Summertime, I don't really have any issues with that. But the bottom line is you can use leave-in conditioners as a moisturizer. You follow up with your favorite oil, whatever that may be, whatever your conditioner is, your leave-in is. It could be a cream. It could be a spray like this, like a real light one. Or it could just be a rinse out conditioner that you dilute with a little water and put in a spray bottle like myself. Some people add glycerin to that. Some people add other oils to that. This is nothing in here but water. That's it. Because I do follow up. And in the wintertime, when I'm stretching, I like to use my grease as a sealant. And that really, really, really helps. I love this grease. It really, really stands up. So I love it. So yeah. So the answer to the question again, yes, you can use leave-in conditioners. And why am I using it? Because they work. They work. That's the key. Do what works for you. Okay. It doesn't matter what everybody else is doing. You know, do what works for you and you will be fine. Don't worry about anybody else. You figure out what your hair likes and what your hair needs, what it doesn't like and what it doesn't need, and you will be fine. Okay. Don't get on the bandwagon with everybody else and you will be fine. Okay. Don't worry about it. All right. I truly hope and pray that you enjoyed this video, and Lord's willing, you will see me in the next video. Thank you ever so kindly. God bless you. Good night. Have a good evening.